Your Excellency, Dr. Samuel William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Chairperson of COMESA. Your Excellency, Mr. Evariste Ndayishimiye, President of the Republic of Burundi and the outgoing Chairperson of COMESA. Your Excellencies, Heads of State and Government, Your Excellency Mahmouda Ali Yusuf, Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Your Excellency Chilise Kamaope, Secretary General of COMESA, ladies and gentlemen, it is a real pleasure to be here in Kenya. I thank the government and people of Kenya for their generous welcome, and the COMESA Chairperson and Secretary General for bringing us together at such an important time. We are at a defining moment. Technology is moving faster than ever, reshaping how nations grow, how societies connect, and how prosperity is shared. For Africa, now is not the time to wait and watch. We have the people, creativity, and natural wealth to build a prosperous and fair future. What we need is to connect our efforts and act with common purpose. That's why regional institutions like COMESA matter more than ever. They must turn collective will into progress, driving coordination, not duplication, and integration, not isolation. This year's focus on digital solutions for stronger, more inclusive regional economies could not be more relevant. Digital transformation offers a unique chance to rewrite Africa's economic story. It is about building digital public infrastructure that allows people to prove who they are, make payments securely, access service easily, and connect across borders. In Ethiopia, we are putting this vision into practice through Digital Ethiopia 2030, our national blueprint for inclusive digital transformation. We have digitalized hundreds of public services, making them accessible without barriers or bureaucracy. We have a digital ID program that serves more than 25 million people, laying the ground for trust and efficiency in both government and businesses. Our digital payment ecosystem processed billions of transactions last year. And through our AI Institute and National Coding Program, over 2.2 million young Ethiopians have been trained and certified to become the creator and innovators of tomorrow. From this experience, we have learned a simple truth. When Africa invests in talent and in digital foundations, it can compete globally on its own terms. Our next step must be to connect these national efforts regionally. Imagine a commercial region where ID, payments, and data flows seamlessly, where trade is frictionless, trust is digital, and innovation knows no borders. That's what regional digital public infrastructure can unlock. We stand ready to work with our neighbors to make this vision real, turning digital potential into regional power and inclusion into shared prosperity. The future will reward those who build it. Let us begin here with clarity, courage, and connection. I thank you.